Welcome back to Motor Masters, the channel where we bring you the most exciting and powerful machines on the road. If you love high-performance cars, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary hybrid hypercars ever built, the Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a groundbreaking masterpiece that combines electrification with extreme performance. First unveiled as a concept in 2010 and officially launched in 2013, the 918 Spyder redefined what a modern hypercar could be. It features a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, derived from the Porsche RS Spyder race car, producing 608 horsepower. But what truly sets it apart is its dual electric motors, one on each axle, delivering an additional 279 horsepower. This hybrid system results in a staggering combined output of 887 horsepower and 944 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful road-legal cars of its time. With this immense power, the 918 Spyder rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds, reaching 124 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds and 186 miles per hour in 19.9 seconds. It has a top speed of 214 miles per hour, making it a true beast on the road. The 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, enhancing the driving experience. One of the key highlights of the Porsche 918 Spyder is its e-performance technology. It can run purely on electric power for about 12 miles, making it more efficient than traditional hypercars. It offers multiple driving modes, including e-Power, Hybrid, Sport Hybrid, Race Hybrid, and Hot Lap, allowing the driver to balance performance and efficiency. The chassis is a work of art, featuring a carbon fiber reinforced polymer CFRP monocoque, making the car incredibly lightweight yet strong. It also boasts Porsche's advanced adaptive aerodynamics, including an active rear wing, adjustable flaps, and a fully functional underbody diffuser. The Weissach package, an optional upgrade, sheds extra weight using magnesium wheels and other lightweight components, making the car even more track-focused. The 918 Spyder is also an engineering marvel in terms of handling. It features Porsche's Torque Vectoring Plus PTV Plus, an all-wheel drive system, and rear axle steering, ensuring unmatched agility and precision through corners. The massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, allowing drivers to push the limits with confidence. Inside, the 918 Spyder offers a futuristic cockpit, blending race-inspired elements with premium materials. The 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and center console touchscreen provide a driver-focused experience. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, ensuring luxury meets performance. Only 918 units of this extraordinary hypercar were produced, making it a rare collector's item. Each one came with a price tag of around $845,000, but today, pristine models can fetch well over $2 million at auctions. The Porsche 918 Spyder belongs to the holy trinity of hypercars, alongside the McLaren P1 and Ferrari LaFerrari. While the McLaren P1 focuses on aggressive aerodynamics and the LaFerrari emphasizes naturally aspirated power, the 918 Spyder stands out with its all-wheel drive hybrid system, making it a unique blend of brutal acceleration, efficiency, and precision handling. Even years after production ended in 2015, the Porsche 918 Spyder remains one of the most technologically advanced and capable hypercars ever built. It proved that hybrid power isn't just about efficiency, it's about dominating the track and the streets. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Porsche 918 Spyder, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more incredible automotive content. This is Motor Masters, and we'll see you in the next video.